Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make apple strudel. It's really so easy but so delicious. So we're gonna need 3 apples. We're gonna first peel them. Now that we've peeled them, we're gonna cut all the apples on small cubes. So we're gonna cut all these apples on these small cubes. I promise you, this apple strudel is so easy, but really so delicious. You're gonna love it. So just cut all apples on these cubes. We're gonna add 2 spoons of sugar. You can even do it without the sugar, as you prefer. I'm gonna add some cinnamon. And mix all together. We're gonna unroll this dough. I usually take this one, it's perfect because it's already with the baking paper. Eccola, and I'm just gonna slice it on half. Now we're putting all the apples on. Eccola. Now just gently wrap it. I'll show you. Usually at the end I put it like this a bit, and also here. Like this, and just a bit like this. Now let's do the second one. This one I feel it quite a lot, but still no problem. Try it, and I'm sure you will love it. One time you will try it, probably you won't stop doing it, because it's really so easy, but it comes very delicious. And just put a bit of water on it. And we're gonna put it in the oven on 220 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. check it out in the meantime. So 220 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. Our strudel is gonna need a few more minutes. If you have any questions, suggestions, please write me in the comments. Our apple strudel is finished. It looks amazing. I had it in the oven exactly 23 minutes. Now I'm just gonna wait a bit that it cools down. Eccola. Try it and tell me in the comments how much you love it. I'm just gonna add some sugar powder and voila. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Ciao!